Should we get to navigation?
I know.
Yeah.
That's what black bumpers are for.
The entertainment system?
So many people have those. They just tap in a bigger van and milk and cheeseburger movies as she likes.
So,
We'll take the basic model. Is there anywhere you can find that stuff under the name Hot Chess? I'm just kidding.
God. Yeah, that Trump Jagger person or whatever they were on. All the older girl, they came on the show from it too. Like, it's a
Here at Howdy's is 1829. Hey, why don't you move in to Howdy's General Store for a 5-cent espresso?
Hotel Plaza, Power Clear 2008, Secondary